ate.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Surprise!
Whoa!
Thank you, ate.
It's like Papa's. Whoa!
It fits on me.
Cool.
You're welcome. Open it.
Papa's gift for you again?
My gift for Bryce.
What is it?
Okay, open it.
Oh my goodness. What is
Open it.
I think I saw it.
It's your bike.
It's your bike.
Merry
Yay!
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Bryce.
Merry Christmas.
Doesn't like it. Sabi na
Got an early gift.
Sabi na nakita ko na yan.
I'm just kidding, Bryce. This is my gift, my early gift to you. I'm just kidding.
My surprising.
Mas gusto niyo
To
kayo.
open
Ate
my
first.
surprises.
Ate first.
Okay.
Ate, my gift for you.
It's a big one, ate.
I wonder what it is.
Ate's gift is the most expensive one.
A banana!
What is it?
Whoa! New helmet! New helmet! Whoa, that's cool.
Pull it.
Oh!
Oh my
I
gosh.
want to open the... Oh my!
Try.
Finally, a new helmet.
You can adjust the back.
Oh, like mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it fits.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Papa, for the helmet.
Nice naman. Finally.
Mwah.
His helmet is like popping.
Yeah, late yung helmet mo.
Nice, Ate. Okay, my gift for Bryce. What is it?
Can I open it?
Okay.
Ah.
Okay, Bryce, open.
Here, Bryce.
Pinapatagal ka ni ate.
I'm sorry.
What is it? What is it?
That's my favorite.
What is it?
Oh!
Goggles!
Cool.
Goggles, Bryce, for your bike.
What? Helmet first.
Cool! You like it?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas. Mama's gift.
What is it?
From everybody.
From...
You already know what it is.
I don't know.
It's from me, Bryce, and Ate.
Sabi ko wala nang ano eh. Wala nang gift.
You already know what it is.
No, I didn't know. Promise.
Wow.
What is it? Oh! It's the... Oh, thank you,
4
Papa.
terabyte hard drive.
Hard drive for my videos. Thank you, Papa. Ikaw nakabunod sa akin?
My
Para bukas?
My Play-Doh.
Ay, dapat binigay mo na lang.
Maybe.
Love, di sana ano, bukas na lang tayo.
Rice.
Can I have
It's
the...
4 terabytes, love. It's a lot.
Ano yun? Ilan yun? Can I have the...
Your laptop only has 1 terabyte.
Really? So I can put more?
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you,
Mamaya mo
kids.
sa camera.
Ha?
Ganda mo sa camera.
Oh, thank you.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Si Papa, wala tayong gift.
No. You guys are my gift.
Wala tayong gift kay Papa. Anong gift natin kay Papa?
The gift
Of love. OMG! Oh my gosh, this is like for computers here.
Now you don't have to...
I know, hindi na ako
Lahat.
mag-delete
Lahat,
na.
ilagay mo na dyan.
Lagay ko na dito lahat. Buong buhay ko nandito na. Yung mga bagong electronics.
Love you guys.
Love you.
Wala man lang tayong gift kay Papa.
The kisses is
Yung gift ko sa'yo sa January. Yung bike mo. From Tita Clarice.
Oh my gosh, excited na.
Excited na nakita niya.
Gigigil na.
Nagigigil na siya.
Nagigigil na. Wow!
It's a Transformer car.
Wala na siya masyali sa balot.
It's a Transformer car. Thank you, Nina Clarice.
Whoa!
Whoa. Dump it.
Dump it!
Oh my. It's
Whoa!
Ate's turn! From Tita Clarice also and Ollie and John. You can use that.
doing activity kit.
Cool!
Thank you, Clarice. Bunny.
Cool!
Hair. Actual hair. Unicorn. There's a unicorn. There's a unicorn.
Si Papa is
Oh. Whoa, what is that? It's a pool. It's a splash water pad inflatable sprinkle.
Cool.
Whoa.
Okay, let's do it right now outside.
It's so cold. It's so cold.
At di syempre, sino maglilinis kundi ako. Ako lang naman ang maglilinis sa lahat ng kalat nila. Lahat ng kalat namin. Papa! Papa! Sana hindi ko na lang binalot kagabi. Ngayon naman mahirapan ako maglinis. What?
Turn around, make a circle.
Make a circle. What?
That's a funny looking robot. Keep going, go fast. Okay, go. Well,
Again.
okay, go.
Oh, it doesn't jump.
Where
Where are you going? Okay, so dyan nagtatapos ang aming opening gifts with the kids. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas.
Happy Christmas Eve pala. Merry Christmas Eve.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jesus!
Happy
Merry
birthday,
Christmas!
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Okay, maglinis na kayo dyan na. Matutulog na ako. Bye.
What?
Maglinis na kayo ng kalat.
No.